Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Oma Clicks Kitchen. If it's your very first time here, please don't make it your last, okay? And to my returning subscribers, you guys are really amazing. Thanks for tuning in. On today's video, I want to show you how you can make your ChinChin and package it for commercial purposes. If you are really interested, please stick around. So the ingredients you need for this recipe include your flour, sugar, milk flavor essence. I'm using pineapple essence, nutmeg, butter. I'm using Simas butter, milk, eggs, baking powder. I'm using double crumb baking powder. And please don't forget your salt, it's very important. So in a clean dry bowl, you have to sieve out this your flour because this is for commercial purposes. Add your milk flavor. I'm adding 2 sachets over here, okay? Add your salt for taste, nutmeg. To get the right consistency, you have to incorporate your ingredient properly. Add your sugar. I'll be dropping the measurements on the description box below. Add your baking powder and mix them. Add your melted butter. You need enough melted butter for this process. So in a different bowl, you have to break your egg. I broke 2 eggs over here. Add your essence. I added my pineapple essence. I added 3 cups of this pineapple essence. Add your milk and incorporate to get the right consistency. Before you have to add this, you have to make a hole at the middle of this and add bit by bit. Don't forget, bit by bit you mix together, okay, to get the right or the exact amount of your dough bit by bit, so you won't spoil this at the process of mixing your dough together. Okay, so you continue to mix until the dough is formed, and you continue to mix this properly so that the ingredient will incorporate very well. So for the rolling, I'm going to use my chopping board and my pestle. So you have to first of all sprinkle flour over your rolling board or your chopping board or the working surface so that this dough won't be sticky while rolling it. So I'll go ahead to add my dough. And you continue this process until you are done. So don't forget to sprinkle flour over your rolling pin, okay, and roll until you roll out this dough to get a flat surface. Not really flat, just take a look at my own. Can you see how it is? Not really that flat. It's pretty much okay, so that when you are cutting, you get the right consistency of this your pie. Okay, this is my cutter over here. It has 2 different shapes, but I prefer to use that shape. So we are going to cut equally. You have to cut this equally. Forgive me, mine is not as perfect as it's meant to be, but you will see the end result. You see, all of them are equal. All the pies or the dough over there are equal. You have equal sizes, okay? Because this is for commercial purpose. Can you see? Perfect dough. So I have to add this into my bowl and set it aside, but I would like to sprinkle flour over this so that it won't be sticking together. So the next process is to fry this. Remember, you are frying on low heat. When your pot is heated up, just take one pie and add it. Once it is okay for frying, you start frying. You fry stir until you get a golden color. So I will be using paper towel to help me drain out excess oil. So this is the perfect color of this ChinChin. So I have to spray this on my tray to cool down before I have to start packaging. Okay, so this is how my ChinChin is doing right now. This video is not giving me the right clip for this. So for the packaging, I'm going to make use of this plastic bags over here and this to tile it or to close up the mouth, and this for measuring to get the equal amount of this ChinChin. Okay, so watch me as I do this. So I measured out 3 times of this ChinChin using that small measuring rubber over there. And guys, I made a lot of sales with this. It was huge. So you have to add this. You know, this is for commercial purpose. You have to measure equal amounts. I added 3 of these. And if you already have a brand name for this your product or this your business, you have to add it into your plastic bag that has this ChinChin, okay, for future reference of your contacts for more. All right, using that small rubber helped me a lot to get the equal amounts of this ChinChin. So I'm going to tie this very tight so that air won't enter. Okay, so I will tighten this very tight. And guys, I made a lot of sales. They can't resist the taste of this ChinChin. And can you see, this is eye-catching, very enticing. You know, the eyes always eat before the mouth eats. Okay, so if you're watching up to these moments, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you all on my next video. Bye.